Good morning, everybody. Today I want to talk about adding your own business to Google Business. What I'm talking about is, you look on the screen here, you'll see a listing for Century 21 Experience. This is our Google My Business listing that we created here. You can have one for yourself as well, so that when somebody goes in and tries to Google you or find a property, they can show up in this search. And in this search, it has information about your location, the hours that you're available, how your contact information, any reviews you might have about yourself, and so on. So the first thing that it assumes is that you already have your own Google Business account, or I should say your own Google account. So if you do not have a Google account, you'll need to go in and just go to Google Accounts, and it'll bring you to this page, and you can create your own personal or business account. I would strongly suggest you have a separate business account from your personal account. You'll put your name in, your email address. Now, if you want a Google email address, you can get a new Google address, or you can use your Century 21 or any other address. Just click this little bar here, and it'll allow you to put in your own address in your email address there. Create a password, confirm it, birth date, and then your mobile phone. Also, be sure to check these check boxes. It'll ask if it wants to set your Google homepage or Google as your homepage, and you probably don't want to do that. And go through the step process, and it'll basically send you an email to verify that you are who you say you are. So once you've created your Google account, you can go to Google My Business. Again, just type in Google My Business in a search, and it'll bring you to this page, www.google.com/business. And here's where you'll find the information and where you'll start the actual process to get your business listing going. It'll show people that you're open for business. It'll talk about your business, give accurate information online. You'll be able to edit your business pages, show what's unique about your business. Many of the benefits that are available are listed here as well. When your business appears front and center, you look bigger than you are. Your customers see what you're all about. It gets your contact information, pictures. You can show properties that you've sold, happy customers that you have helped get to their new properties, along with reviews of your business. The way it works here is you have a dashboard, which we'll see in a little bit, that we'll set up when we set up an account here. It'll also show you how to input your information about your business, keep you on top of your reviews, let you know when a review comes in, and see what's working, what kind of clicks are you getting, any view-throughs, or people contacting you. Then you give you graphs of calls and click-throughs. Good way to keep a track of your business information so you know what's working and what's not. So let's go ahead and get started here. So if you notice up here in the top right, it says sign in or sign up. We click the sign up. We'll go ahead and pick one of our existing Google accounts and log in. Again, you will have already done this, so you'll have this account already set up. And it's going to go in, it's going to want to search for your business, and it's going to want you to type in an address. So I'll type in the office address. And the city, and it'll start to look, and it'll find, here you go, 7168 Alta Loma Tax, one of our neighbors already there. We'll go ahead and ask it to search, and you'll see here's Century 21, here's one of our agents that have already done this. None of these match you, you will just click add your business. Now, again, you might want to think about using your own personal address. That will kind of put you in your local neighborhood if that's one of the neighborhoods that you're farming. But you're going to need to have a physical address. So again, the name, we're going to have to give it a name, and in this case, we're going to use the name that we're signed in under, and the address. And the city. The state, drop down, you can always start to type and it'll go right to it. And the business phone. And then it'll ask for a category, and it'll want to know what kind of category. If you start to type a category, something like real estate, there you go, real estate agent, real estate agency, developer, rental agency, real estate school, so a lot of different things that you can go ahead and put on here. So we're going to go ahead and just put real estate agents and leave it at that. So you set the marker location, done, continue, and there it'll go ahead and it'll allow us. The following businesses look similar. None of these match, so we're going to go ahead and keep our own information. Career Realtor, I'm authorized to manage this business and I agree to the terms. Click continue. And one of the reasons why I tell you that you have to have a physical address is because you're going to have to verify. So they're going to want to mail you a card with an access number that you'll need before you can actually set up or use your Google Plus business account. So it'll tell you up here, would you like to get your verification code by mail? And you click the mail and it's going to go ahead and send it to Career Realtor, and they'll send us a postcard. And once you've done that, you've gone as far as you can on this, and we continue. And at this point, I can choose to go ahead and put in the information about my business and go ahead and get started. So here's where I'm going to be able to put the information in about my company, my business, you as an agent. And you're going to go through and you're going to start putting information in, such as, your phone number, your website, hours of operations, add your profile photos and some other photos that'll help make it look better and bigger than it is. So that's how you get in there and get started. Once you get that card, then there'll be more information and we'll continue on in the next training series. Thanks a lot. Hope this helped.